Um, Hero, super, star, success, man, woman, girl, dog, mother. All the supers saving the world, inspiring, doing what's right. I don't like super stories. An athlete, actor, writer, coming out of nowhere, supposedly, dazzling the world with incredible feats of strength, endurance, piercing insight into the heart of mundane America. Some Armstrong, Oprah, or Rowling cruising the skies above Metropolis. I love Black Widow, who trained hard, got good at her game. No tech, no magic hammer, no green anger hulking her bigger. Just her in skin tight leather, using everything she's learned over long, cold Siberian years. Karate kicking naysayers and mansplainers into adamantium jails, then getting a fresh coat of polish on her nails. I invoke her when the work is tough, when some government official thinks he has been radiation enhanced and wants to say that my son, autism man, is less than human, less than super.